got something important to share with you. Today, the Forex Crypto PRO development team from forexinstant.com is super excited to introduce our Masterpeace products. Our products are the real deal. We've put in the time and effort to conduct thorough research. It's like having a super smart assistant by your side. We've gathered insights from the best minds in the world, applied cutting-edge statistical and probability theories. If you're seeing the positives here, consider yourself a winner already. No need for training, everything is presented clearly in real time. Success in trading now depends on your persistence and seriousness, not luck. So, if you're ready to take your analysis game to the next level in any capital market, our Masterpeace products are here to make it happen. Trust us, you won't regret it. Now, let's get down to business. Our Forex Crypto PRO product is here to revolutionize the Forex and cryptocurrency game, along with any other pairs provided by your trading broker provider. This module is packed with 8 pair symbols, 8 timeframes, and 8 shadows all appearing together on a chart. And guess what? In less than 8 minutes, you'll have a powerful reversal signal for your scalping strategy. How cool is that? We've even got reversal code alert facilities that analyze important signs for you. Here's the deal. You've got to check out this video tutorial and presentation on the available functions. Trust me, even though it doesn't have any voice guidance, you'll totally get it because you're a pro trader. And guess what? We guarantee that in just a week, you'll be even more expert than before. But here's the secret sauce. Put in some mental enthusiasm and an accurate trading strategy, and you'll be hitting those massive jackpots every single time. Oh, and by the way, the Forex Crypto PRO product is split into 2 modules with different functions. You'll find all the deets in the next video. So, let's get started on your journey to success.